Hello MJ squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel down below and also hitting the notification bell to all so that you'll be notified whenever I post. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So on today's video, I'm going to try Chebe powder for the first time. Finally on this here, I'm trying Chebe powder, and ZYNG sent me this Chebe powder, and this is 50 grams, and I'm like praying and hoping that this will be enough. Yeah, this will be enough. I'm just praying and hoping because my hair is so thick. Yeah, and this is how the Chebe powder is looking like, and the smell is like a cigarette. The direction says that you can either use like a cream or liquid oil of your choice. I think I'm going to use this oil. This is hair oil from Vertica, which has shea butter and soy oil. So there's a specific oil that it's advisable to use with this Chebe powder, but I don't have that particular oil, and I'm just going to take you through on how I'm going to be applying this this Chebe powder. And one thing that this Chebe powder does, it makes your strands stronger, and that make your hair like you can retain the length, and your hands like your hair is longer. So that's one thing. And you're not supposed to apply it on your scalp, you're supposed to apply it on your strand because it can cause irritation. I'm not going to apply it on my scalp, I'm just going to apply it on my strand. And also this Chebe powder, what it does, it actually makes your hair from, if let's say I'm for C here, if you use it a couple of times, it's just like soften your hair to the next type of hair, which is 4B. And if you are 4B, you become 4A, and yeah, you get like the routine and all. So that's it, and I'm really excited. I've never tried Chebe powder ever in my life. I'm sorry for the background noise, poleni. Anyway, I'm going to try this out. So without any further ado, let's mix everything together. And if I've forgotten something, I'm going to mention it in the video if I forgot something to tell you guys. Anyway, let's jump right to the video. But I don't know if I should use a cream instead of an oil, but yeah, I'm thinking of using this curling cream because the direction says that. But we are going to see whatever alinine we are going to use, whichever like product we are going to use. And over here I have like a spoon and a bowl that I'm actually going to use to mix everything together, and I'm going to try as much as possible to measure everything. So if you're trying it at home, you can do that. And also I'm going to link their page down in the description box below, so go and check them out. And also over here, this is their handle over here, go and check them out. Yeah, so let me just stop talking because I don't want the sun to be like like setting and I'm still filming. So let's start the video. So this is the Chebe powder that I'm going to use. This is the Chebe powder, and let me just show you how full it is. When you purchase yours, it comes like full kabisa, like yeah, this is how it looks, and it's full. So I'm just going to put like a couple of, I'm just going to use maybe I think that's like, this is too much. Let me just use that. Those are 3 tablespoons of Chebe. Is it Chebe or Chebe? And then I'm going to use this oil, this hair oil from Vertica. Also I'm going to measure this so that two, 3. think I'm going to add this to make a paste, this curling cream. So I think I'm going to put like 1 tablespoon of this cream.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll...
Now I have mixed like everything, like the cream, and this is how it looks. And when you're applying this, you need something like you don't care about, a top that you are not like in love with. And I've already like washed my hair, and yeah, and this is the current situation of my hair. I normally wash my hair into sections, so I'm just going to start with one side, apply the Chebe, and then we see. I'm going to start with this section, and let's start from the front. My hair is already like in a like dumpy situation. I'm just going to take this amount of Chebe and then just apply it. I think this is too much. Oh god, and I have a white trouser. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to avoid the my scalp so that I don't get an irritation while I'm sleeping.
go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So if you have weak hair, you can use this Chebe, and Chebe is from Chad, and Chad is an African country, so those ladies have like long, like literally long. Like if you think my hair is long, my hair is short. Do your research, and you're going to find like Chebe is one of like one of the products that those ladies from Chad apply on their hair. And what they do, then they don't like rings out, they just style it, and then maybe they put it on maybe braids, and then after maybe 5 days they reapply it. But yeah, but for me, I'm planning to do like a protective hairstyle. So I'm just going to leave it this Chebe for, is it Chebe or Mashebe? Chebe for like for maybe overnight, and right now it's around, let's say 4, so from 4 till tomorrow at around we're going to see. I'm going to come and check in with you, and then we are going to see. So their hair, you can do research on YouTube, and you're going to find their hair, wow, their hair. And you're supposed to apply this I don't know if you have mentioned, you're supposed to apply this Chebe with a particular oil, which I don't know where I can find that oil here in Kenya. And also I didn't have like that oil, and today was my wash day. You can see how messy it is. Like, be ready for this. So let me just spray some water, because I feel like it's a little bit dry over here. So you can go and Google, and you're going to see like those ladies have like long hair. If you use this powder often, you're going to change your curl pattern to like a much looser curl pattern. If you're 4B, you become 4A. If you're 4C, you can become 4B. If you're 3C, you become 3B. And yeah, you get the rhythm. Yeah, so if I get irritations on my scalp, I'm definitely going to rinse it out. I'm not going to like stay with something which will irritate me, but I'm going to tell you if I do. I think I overdid it on the Chebe. I thought I will use like the whole container, but no. I'm trying to make sure that every like strand of my hair get the goodness. Yeah, and also don't forget to follow ZYNJ on Instagram, and you can ask them more questions if you have, or leave them down in the description, not description, down in the comment section below, and tell me if you have ever tried Chebe powder. Yeah, I'm interested to know. And I'm really I'm going to like try to add this Chebe powder on my like hair routine, because I want long hair. We all want long hair. Anyway, yeah.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So I'm done with this side of the hair. I've like applied the Chebe all through. Now I'm going to add a little on my ends. So now I'm going to do this other side of camera, and then I'm going to come when I'm done, and I'm going to tell you like what's going on. Yep. So when you're applying, this is just basically how the Chebe is like, and I'm really curious to feel my hair after I've rinsed out this Chebe powder. Anyway, let me see you afterwards. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't, like this video, share this video out, support your girl. Hey friends, so it's been like, I don't know, I can't even I didn't like time myself for the, I think 10 minutes or 20. So I've applied, like I did apply this on camera and this one off camera, and I've used like the whole bowl of the mixture that we like mixed over here, and my hair is smelling this, like I'm smelling this, I'm smelling this Chebe powder and also the products that I used to like to make the paste. And yeah, so now I'm just going to tie it. I can't find my I can't find my what I normally tie my hair with, I'm just going to use this, and then I'm just going to tie it on a ponytail, and then like so. Yeah, like so. And then I'm going to see you tomorrow when I'm rinsing it out. I hope it doesn't like take like too much of my time when I'm rinsing. Yeah, and then on top of this I'm going to put on my bonnet, and then I sleep like so.
The next day.
So before I like rinse out the condition the Chebe, not the conditioner, the Chebe, I just want to unravel here, and we see there's still some Chebe. You can see how the hair is looking kama limeshikana na Chebe. So this is how it's looking. So let me just go and rinse before I mess everything up here on camera.
1 hour later.
So friends, I've managed like to like rinse out this Chebe. This Chebe is not easy to rinse. Like, it's not like a shampoo or a conditioner or a treatment. Like, you just go and just 1 2 3, you're done. And I've like tried my best to remove like all the Chebe in my hair, and my hair feels so soft. I've rinsed the Chebe. I've used cold water to rinse like the Chebe out of my hair. And then yeah, so I hope like I've managed to do that. So now what I can say is this Chebe is one of the products that I may consider including in my natural hair routine. I may consider it, but for me I would use it for just overnight, or just for maybe a minimum of 2 hours. That's the recommended time. So I went overboard and decided to go overnight. But if you can do overnight, well and good. If you can do 5 days, well and good. So if you have weak hair, you can try out Chebe powder and see what it can do to your hair. And if it's something you'll love on your hair, something you will enjoy on your hair. And like I said, this sherbet smells like a tea bag, but the first time I smelled sherbet powder, I thought it was a cigarette or a tea bag, yanika green tea or something, if you have ever smelled it. So anyway, yeah, my hair is like so soft, and like, look at that, wow. So if you use like, let me and also if you use this Chebe powder for overnight, like not overnight, like uh many times, like you make sure like whenever maybe you're washing your hair, you're using Chebe powder, or maybe product with Chebe, your hair will become stronger. Yeah, so, and I want hair growth, so definitely again I'm going to be using this Chebe powder. Anyway, comment down below on the comment section if you have ever used Chebe powder, yes or no. If you have any question, you can leave them down in the description box below. And also I'm going to leave their Instagram link for this company down in the description box below, so go and follow them. And what else, like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and see you on the next one. So now let me just style and start editing this video. Bye.